Hey, South Florida, what's up? I'm meteorologist Luke Doris. Certainly hope you're having a great weekend. I know that there are a lot of questions about what's going on with Maria, what is now a tropical storm. It's likely to be a hurricane later on today. So let's start there, and then we're going to go through more of your local forecast. First off, it's not just Maria. We have Hurricane Jose, which is off the coast of the east side of the United States, and it does pose a threat to New England, but it's going to weaken as it goes there, so not a threat for South Florida, but it will have an impact on the track of Maria, so we need to watch it. And then what is now Tropical Depression Lee, it has weakened out in the central Atlantic, poses no threat to land. So let's get back to Maria. Again, as of the 2 p.m. advisory, it is a tropical storm, but not likely to stay there long. Category 1 hurricane likely by later on our Sunday evening or Monday at the latest. And then Category 2 by the time we get to Tuesday. Then Wednesday, major hurricane status is forecast with Category 3. You see the track likely going through near the Leeward Islands, the northern Lesser Antilles, on into Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic. All areas within that cone could be where the central part of the storm is, where the eye goes. So we'll be watching all those areas, all under the threat of a hurricane as Maria approaches there. So a lot of us are wondering, what's the track beyond the end of that forecast cone? Well, before we get there, let's talk about the hurricane watches that we have in the Leeward Islands. Antigua, Barbuda, some spots that were hit by Irma very hard, now under the hurricane watch for Maria, and a hurricane warning for Guadeloupe and Dominica, and then you can see tropical storm warnings and watches further south. So what happens beyond? Well, watches, the U.S. and European global, both pretty much agree as we get out to Saturday. That's a week, just less than a week from today, going near the Bahamas. We're really getting pretty far out there as far as weather forecast can go. So we're susceptible to changes at this range, but at least these two agree on a general idea at that point, and from there both U.S. and European have the storm going north. Now it's uncomfortably close. We are going to have to keep a close eye on that, but at this point it's looking like it goes north. We'll see if that trend holds. Let's hope it does. So the forecast for the rest of the day, hot, mainly sunny. Your Monday rolls in. A few stray storms can't be ruled out, but not a whole lot in the way of changes. So we'll see a low 20 to 30% chance of rain over the next couple of days. It picks up by late week. That's it for now. Have a good day.